What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. All right, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there scamming people, so please get a face sign verification card or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for. All right, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all where to go to get a $250,000 small business loans that works with bad credit between at least a 550 credit score. Right, so if your personal credit score is at least 550 and you got a business, the LLC, and the EIN number, I'm going to show you where to go to get you a $250,000 loan. It doesn't have to be exactly $250,000. It's from $5,000 to $250,000, but they will give you the bag. All right. Now, when it comes to business loans, we need to understand this. As long as you have an LLC, long as you have an EIN number, you do not need to use your personal information no longer, because now you are operating under this new entity, which is your business, and you're building your business credit. So now you can use your EIN number to go apply for everything that you've been applying for with your personal name: cars, homes, businesses, all credit cards, loans, lines of credit. You can do the exact same thing you're doing with your personal, with your business, with your EIN number, your new social security number, which is your business social security number, your EIN number, right? So with that being said, when you're want to get loans and build your personal credit, you go get trade lines. You go get AUs, authorized users, to put on your credit report to build it. All right. So now that you got your EIN number, now that you got your LLC, and using your EIN number to do everything, you're going to use that EIN number. You're going to start applying for store cards. You're going to start applying for $2,000, $1,000 loans, $500 loans. You're going to start adding net 30s to your business, to your EIN number. So when they connect that account, so net 30s, let me explain. Net 30s are accounts that will be reported to your business account that gives you 30 days to pay off. So once you pay it off in 30 days, it will reflect on your business credit. As long as you pay it back within that 30 days or before the 30 days, it will reflect on your business credit as an exceptional payment history, and you will get business credit points added to your business credit. You got net 30s, net 60s, and net 90s. But for anybody out there that's looking to build their business credit fast, you want to get the net 30s because it only takes 30 days. You also want to get the business trade lines from creditstrong.com. You can use the Credit Magnum powered by Credit Strong. Those trade lines, revolving credit, all to your business credit, so you can start getting these major loans. Now, for somebody who's aiming for the juggler, somebody wants to get $100,000 loans, $250,000 loans, and things like that, you have to understand any amount of money that you want to get a loan for, it has to reflect on your credit profile, personal or business, but we're talking about business, that you're able to pay this back. So for anybody out there that wants to get a bad personal loan, bad credit, or business credit loan, you want to get these exceptional numbers, you have to understand, you have to be able to reflect on your credit profile, that personal or business, that you are responsible or reliable or can handle this much debt and pay it back on time. That's why they check your credit to see what all you're paying back. Is your debt exceptional, or are you paying it back delinquent, which means you're not making payments, or you missed some payments, or you got late payments. They want to see all that because they want their money back. Don't matter who it is, who's ever lending you this money, they want their money back. So when it comes to getting loans, lines of credit, and credit cards, it has to reflect on your credit profile, personal or business, that you are responsible for this amount that you want to borrow and you're able to pay it back. That's where trade lines and authorized users' credit card accounts come into par that adds debt to your credit profile so that each month is auto paid out your bank account so you won't miss a payment. So now you get exceptional payment history every month, and it's reflecting that you're paying back this extravagant amount of money, $50, $60, $70, $80,000, $100,000, $200,000, and you're good liability to get that much of a loan. That's what trade lines are for. That's what AUs are for, right? So when I'm giving you guys a sauce about AUs and trade lines and how to add it on the personal and business side, please listen and hear what I'm saying, because these are things, these are the methods, these is the sauce, these are the tricks that will allow you to do the exact same things. Everybody out there wants some quick, fast method, a quick, fast way to get some money. Well, if you want to do it and you want to do it yourself, learning this game right here is how you're going to do it, because no one will be able to stop you once you get your feet wet. All right, so without further ado, let's go check out EIN Opportunity Fund that will give you up to $250,000 in small business loan, small business funding. All you need is at least a 550 credit score, and they will work with you. All right, so without further ado, let's check them out. All right, so today we're going to talk about EIN Opportunity Funds, loans for small businesses like yours. We offer loans for small businesses in a range of sizes, as well as educational resources, coaching, and support network in English and Spanish. We also support ITIN only borrowers. All right, so when you go to their website, the website is, they go to the website right there, aofund.org. All right, so loan amounts from $5,000 to $250,000, affordable capital with transparent terms and no prepayment penalty. So you pay it back before the terms, you won't be penalized. Just like on personal credit, you will be penalized. Flexible rates starting at 8.9%. We can offer you a different rates that vary based on which repayment plan you prefer. Programs and coaching. More than just loans for small businesses, we also provide educational resources, coaching, and access to support networks. All right, so what makes them different? And they just jot down right here. Hey. All right, so a non-profit lender, because we don't exist to make profit, we use the money from your re-permit to support other business owners, customized loans and repayment terms. No two businesses are alike, so we structure loans that work for your business, not someone else's. Support anyone, no matter your credit score. All right, so pay attention to that. You're not just a number. We look at more than just your credit score to determine business viability. All right, so application process, we want to ensure you feel ready and prepared to apply for a loan. Like us, walk us through your basic steps we'll take together so that you know what to expect. All right, so step one, apply online. Get a quote without impacting your credit score. Be prepared to share business revenue and expenses. Pulling up numbers from your tax returns can help. Step two, review your offers. We'll share offers you can choose from with different terms, lengths, monthly repayments, and interest rates options. If you have no option for you, we'll try to refer you to one of our partners or provide other resources. Step three, finalize your loan. Once you have chosen your offer, we'll ask for final documentation and verify. We'll review and come back with a final offer and a loan agreement. Upon signing, you'll get the money that you need for your business. All right, so EIN Opportunity Fund, small business loans up to $250,000. Have your docs together, have your ADP payroll together, so you can provide income funds for your business, and you'll be good to go. All right, so anybody looking for $5,000 to $250,000 with their small business, check out EIN Opportunity Fund. aofund.org is the website. There you go. And without further ado, let's talk about it. All right, there we got it. EIN Opportunity Fund. Anybody out there with an LLC and an EIN number and you're not taking advantage of it, you're not using it instead of your SSN number, you are slipping. You are missing out on the opportunity to build your business credit at an easier way and start getting money at an easier, faster pace. So anybody out there that has an LLC and an EIN number and you are not using it and you still are using your SSN number, you are tripping. Start utilizing and taking advantage of having this LLC and this EIN number, which will allow you to start getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit way faster than you will be able to get with your personal credit, where you don't need no docs, no state, none of that. Just steady income and signature loans. Start taking advantage of it. Start using these methods and this information that I'm giving you guys so you can start becoming real bosses, real kings, real queens in life, and start creating generational wealth. All right, so make sure y'all pay attention, man. Make sure y'all get y'all LLCs, y'all EIN numbers together. Make sure y'all get y'all personal credit together. Make sure y'all get y'all business credit together. And if you do need help, that's why I'm here. Tap in, get y'all FaceTime 1-on-1 Unlimited Gems for $600, where I would teach you step by step how to clean and build your personal credit, how to establish your business credit, and start getting hundreds of thousands in dollars in loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. All right. Plus, you're gonna get the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards. You'll get the New Age Credit Repair Handbook. You're gonna learn the introduction to the DW, plus more how to make passive income, how to make $50,000 a month all profit sitting on your. You get a whole lot for $600. All right. So FaceTime 101. $600, don't miss out before prices go back to $1,200. Also, tap into the crypto tour in-person limited gems. You come to me, it's $4,500. If I come to you out of state, it's going to be $5,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. If you book me for out of state, you also have to pay for my flight and my hotel. All right, so tap in on the tour, get your free shirt. If you want to get your World Tour t-shirt, it's going to be $160. But if you want to get the World Tour t-shirt plus one method and one free live card, it's going to be $200, all right? So you can get the how to make $50,000 a month all profit, or you can get the Cash App Glitch, the World Tour t-shirt, and one free live card, all for $200. You're getting the money back once you get the card anyway, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. We got a couple shirts left. We think it's like 20 shirts left. We started out with 2,000 shirts, 20 left, so shout out to everybody that tapped in and got their shirt. Real fans, real supporters. Still got Jordans I'm giving away. Still got methods I'm giving away. Still got t-shirts and all type of things I'm giving away. So make sure y'all tapping in and being a real fan. If you're not a real fan, you're going to miss out on a whole lot of good information and good sauce and good free stuff. So make sure you tapping in to everything. The YouTube channels, the Instagram, my Instagram, King Hussle X1M, the real King Hussle X1M. Call it what you want to call it. Podcast, Hussle Nation Empire, every New Age Credit Repair, all the Instagram channels. Make sure y'all tapping in, man. All the music videos I'm dropping on King Hussle X1M on YouTube. New mixtape coming soon. Make sure y'all tapping in, because I promise you, real fans will get rewarded. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, producers, cameraman, entertainers, you name it. So if you're a beautiful lady out there, tap in. You ready to get some exposure, you ready to build your brand and platform, you ready to start making some money, you just need a little guidance, tap in. I'm going to get you in that position. We're going to make some money. Just have a good head on your shoulders. Don't have a crazy attitude, and I promise you, we're going to make it happen. Any rappers out there, any singers out there got talent, send me what you got. Music reviews is $200. Any cameraman out there, anybody looking to hold the camera, you in Houston, Texas area, tap in. Milwaukee area, tap in. Phoenix, Arizona area, tap in. Las Vegas area, tap in. California area, tap in. Let's work. Let's get this money. Content equals views, and views equal money. So let's build this production company. Let's build this team. Let's all get this money. All right, so y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I see you at the next lesson. I see you at the next video. Peace.